Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now, um, it's very common that, in fact, it's a requirement from the HRD Corp to have training feedback. And once we get a feedback, it will be appear in a Excel format, and this tells you that how good my training is. So some will rate me as 3, some rate me as 5, some rate me as 4, and then so what can we do with this? Well, we can actually use this to create a report like this, which is let's say there are 10 headcounts, and we can see that overall how many of them are rate me 5. Or you can also create an individual based on individuals requirements. So it's like this. So when I present this, one of my training providers actually asked me uh, how to do this. So I thought it's like, oh, okay. Then I think uh, if she asked me, then there could be some others people also interested to know how to do this, right? So that's what. Let's just begin. I actually basically insert it into um, Power, PowerPoint. Okay, and in PowerPoint we have the icon. So if you don't have your older version, you have icon, you can look for an icon for this. So I just insert a star icon. It's right here. Click OK, insert, and now I have one of these. Now what I do next is that I hold down the Control Shift key and drag it to the right. Control Shift key to the right, Control Shift key to the right, Control Shift key to the right. So now I have 5 star right here. Now, what if I just, suddenly, if I don't hold a Shift key, then it will be like this. So how do you adjust it accordingly? You can go to Graphics and you go to Align and you choose Align Middle. And next thing is that you can choose distribute horizontally. That's just nice. Okay, so you can also adjust the size of it. Okay, so maybe just slower a bit more. Really, you do really careful. Maybe somewhere here, it really doesn't matter. You can just highlight this, go to home, go align, alignment again, align middle, align horizontal, and okay. So then next is that you can use the this color to represent that all selected as 5 star, and then you can also group it. Right click of them, choose group. So how do you select all of this? You just highlight, and that will be all selected, and then you choose group, group, and so we can just again Control Shift down, Control Shift, and then put it down. That is how you copy that. And then you have here Control Shift down, Control Shift down. Just pull down and can see that. Now let's say they give you 4 star. They just select one of these items and then choose um, a slightly gray color. Okay, so now it's 4 star. So if it's 3 star, then you just choose one or two of them. Go here, pick this, and that's 3 star. And finally, of course, you want to copy the cost, the wording. Okay, so let's say for this, we have CS Win. Okay, so we have this person here. So I just copy this name here, come over here, and then choose and right click. So over the time, you will get better and better at this. But for now, we just copy it accordingly. So and paste it here. So okay, and then the logo, you can go and Google, do some research how the logo looks like. So CSV looks like this, and I also download the brochures, and it appears the CSV is like this. So now on the short on your keyboard, you hold down Shift Window key S to really just capture a portion of this. Okay, capture it, and then go back to this here and then paste it right there. So there you are. And of course, people want to know, hey, what is this training about? What is the feedback about? So that's for again. I already typed this out here, so now people know that oh, it's something about the strategic Excel for strategy hash. Ah, okay, okay, that's cool. And when does it happen? It's on the 5th. And who is the trader? So of course it's me, right? Ken Lau. Um, so yeah, that's about it. If you want to, so so you can have this here, and then what is this title here? So let's look at one, this one here. Okay, so basically, she gave me 4 for the first question, which the content were clear, which is 4. So the content was well this one, so I just copy here and down here. So now people understand. Oh, 4 star. Okay, cool. Then let's look at another one, and then you have this course objective are successfully. Again, I just copy here. I already have it, and you can just type. Or again, this one is 4, so we just select the item, choose this again, go back to now I have 4 star. So you see that 4 star here is better, but people may want to know what does it mean 4. Okay, 4 means she agree. Okay, and she agreed that the course material are just great. So some legend would be just great for user to, for any ordinary people understand it, right? So now next one is that these are content, and how's the content? Was the content easy to understand? Let's look at it here. That would be the first one. The course material, is it easy to 1, 2, 3? Okay, so basically here, so the course material were successful. The course objective was successfully achieved. So let's take a look. Was successfully achieved, correct? And then we have were helpful and enough. So we do have this item here. Um, so the course material were enough. Okay, that was 4 under here. And okay, so that's great. And then next one is the training experience. My learning was enhanced. Okay, so did that happen? My learning was enhanced. My learning was enhanced here. Okay, so let's just go here, paste here, and see what the rate is. My learning was enhanced, and it was 4. Okay, so no need to. Oh yeah, we to change. Right? Select the item. Click here one more. Click second time. Then you choose the gray other. So now we can see that overall we can see the experience like. Um, it's more graphical and easy to understand. And was I well engaged? Okay, so that's 4. Okay, so again, select item to go to this. Was it well engaged? So I was well engaged. So let's just click here. So there are, I was well engaged. And then the next one here, what is next? Okay, so there you are. For the course exposed me to new, okay, it's 4. Okay, the course exposed me. Okay, this is the 4th. Okay, it's right here. So finally, I understand how to apply this. Is 4. Okay, I understand how to apply this. Okay, so do we have this thing? I understand how to apply this. Okay, no, we can just it doesn't have it also. Okay, so just right here and go over here. I have so it's also read me as 4. So um, now just well in that case I just uh copy this one here, move it down here. Okay, how about the course exposed me to new practice? Exposed me to 4. So is it the 4? Let's just look at here. Yeah. Okay. For basically, I can go to View tab, choose View, free space, so I will not need to worry about that anymore. So I have the somewhere here. Okay. So yeah. So that's 4, and that's 4. And duration was 3. And would you recommend that? Yes, the person say yes, it recommend as 4. So she agreed to recommend 2. So I'll just go for this here. Since it's the same, I'll just copy here. But of course, you can do the same here. Okay, so basically, that is some alignments will be great, and then you can see, judge yourself whether you want to show your client like this, you show them like this, or you want to show them like this, at a glance of all the 10 participants, or you want to present it in this way, or right, which one is better is really according to your needs. So over in the last 10, right, you can see that here we do have students give us 4 and all 4, all 5. So what does it mean all 4, all 5? So all 4 would be here, all 4, okay, and then this one is all 5. So see, at a glance, very fast. So PowerPoint design is always about at a glance. You can take a look at. So you can also consolidate all of them in one page. Depends on your needs. Okay, so and that is how I present my report to my future clients. Yeah, so I hope this is useful to you, and this is going to be great for training providers. So it takes you a little bit more time, but just only one time. After that, you can just copy and paste, and you have all this list here, and you can further improve it by insert the trainer's headers, or maybe your training provider's logo, and that's all. I hope this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia. I thank Jesus for giving me this ability to share.